Yes, sir. Sir, welcome. Yes, sir. Sir, sir, that is a mask. Yeah.
About this bird? Yes, this bird lives in the cloud forest of Central America. It is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Thank you.
That's great.
I'm going to speak at Nicobar Bears and Nicobar Island near Indian subspecia. The Nicobar Bear has shiny feathers and green, blue and gold feathers. It's the closest living relative of the extinct to the bird. Thank you.
Yes. Who made this? Good. Wild bird. Lives in caves. Yes. Start.
Today I'm going to talk about oil bird. It lives in a dark caves in South America. It is the only bird that can fly in a dark using a sound like a bat. Thank you.
Yes.
My topic is the Perambur bird. It lives in India and Australia. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I'm going to talk about cockapoo. It lives in New Zealand and it's one of the worst festivals. Thank you.
Great.
I am going to talk about the Nandangar. It is a bird that comes only at night. It has soft brown feathers, can hide easily. Today I am going to speak about secretary bird.
This video should be taken on top
Grass
of
land of Africa.
the birds. I have
My topic is the bearded vulture. My topic is the bearded vulture.
Yes.
Also called lammergeier.
Super, excellent.
It lives high in the mountains of Asia, Africa, and Europe. Thank you.
Yes, good. Well said. Oh, big one. Super.
I am going to speak about the horn screamer. It lives in South America and it is recently extinct. My bird is a long-bearded umbrella bird. It lives in the Ecuador and Colombia. Thank you.
Yes.
The Laguna bird of paradise is the national bird of Papua New Guinea. It is 34 centimeter long. It has black melon gold. Thank you.
Yes, gold. All yes.
It has long tail and feathers with ornamental front plants red to orange color.
Super.
I am going to talk about the helmet drum. It lives in the rainforest of South America. Thank you. My bird is the centipede and it lives near the Wilson and South America.
I'm going to talk about Buscon. Lives in University as a black and red feathers.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. My topic is elevator spellet. It is living in rainforest of Australia and nearby islands. Thank you. My bird is the magnet duck. It comes from China and Japan. It has bright orange red green feathers that shine in the sunlight. Thank you.
Great.
I'm going to talk about swim. It is a small white duck that lives in Asia and Europe. Thank you.
I'm going to speak about the happy eagle. It is one of the biggest and strongest eagle in the world. Thank you.
Yes.
Today I'm going to talk about the battler eagle. It lives
Battler
on oval
eagle.
and a purple kite, a bright red leg and red face.
When flies, it tilts and moves its wing like a tightrope walking to keep balance. Thank you.
Yes. Well said. Well said.
Center model. Today I'm going to talk about season. Season birds are closely connected.
Birds are trees by spreading seeds so new plants can grow.
Thank you.
Yes. Well said. Great job. All things.
From six cats to single cells, we the birds and sweet friends. Welcome our come gather here. Tiny bird is waiting here. Get ready, let's go.
That's all, sir.
Your microscope is a super cool tool that makes tiny things look big. The word of microscope comes from two Greek words, micro, which means small, and scopic, which means to look at. Thank you, sir.
Good definition. Yes.
This is a giant long-legged catadid. Imagine a grasshopper that became to a giant leaf. That's
Grasshopper.
the giant long-legged catadid. This insect is huge. Thank you, sir. This is Goliath beetle. The Goliath beetle is one of the two kings of the insect world. It's one of the heaviest and biggest insect you can find. It's a true chain. Like a chain, Goliath found a whole story. Goliath beetle lives high up in the trees of the hot, wet rainforest of Africa. Thank you, sir. This is antivirus. Antivirus is a gun that
So first you
Finish?
And the small caterpillar has a very clever way to scare away animals that want to eat it. This caterpillar is usually bright green. When the caterpillar is ready to become a moth, it makes a cocoon that's hard and strong. You cannot even crush it with your finger. Thank you, sir. Can you guess what this is? This is Hellobatrium. Hellobatrium is a tiny living thing, so small you can only see it with a microscope. It is a special kind of microbe called an archaea. Thank you, sir.
More.
This is glass-winged butterfly. Birds and other animals that might want to eat it are very hard and see it in perfect camouflage. Most butterflies have colorful wings, but the glass-winged butterfly's wings are almost completely clear, like a clean window. It looks like its wings are made of glass.
It looks like a window.
The edge of its wings are used for a rock down or a little bit of retardant. Thank you, sir. Can you guess what is this? Yes, it's a peacock spider. This little creature runs but it's too only for this giant spider that loves to run. This spiders are tiny. Bones are only about a size. A brain of eggs or a Some spiders are only found in Australia and they are completely harmless.
Super.
Thank you,
One
sir.
point there. You are speaking long. 1 or 2 points. Okay.
This is
Cut short.
This is simple cold insect wheelbug. As one of the neatest decoration on its body, the wheelbug is a type of insect known as a true bug. The wheelbug is standard in those cities or plants that is the pieces that made out of gardens. Thank you, sir. The coolest thing about leaf insect is that they look exactly like a real leaf. Their flat-bed bodies and legs are often bright, and they have look like leaf and one. Leaf insects are carnivorous, which means they one-day plant. They love to munch on the leaves of plants like rose, blackberry, and orchid. Thank you,
most
sir.
of the brown and grey bug. This one is special. It has big wings painted lovely color. Garden moth doesn't look like an elephant, but baby it does. Thank you, sir.
This is Cicada. Get ready to meet one of the nauseous bug in the world. They are so loud that if you are standing near them, you might have to shout to talk to your friend. The most amazing thing about some cicadas is how long they sleep. They live as a member called nymphs. Thank you, sir. This is a giraffe weevil. It is a tiny beetle, usually bright red and black. The most special part is the long neck. The giraffe weevil live on a big island country called Madagascar, which is the only place in the world you can find it. Thank you, sir. This is firefly. The firefly is a special insect that can light up the night. They can make a light in their own bodies. This is called bioluminescence. The firefly flash the light to talk to each other. Every kind of firefly has a different pattern of flashes. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Get ready to meet one of the biggest beetle on earth. It is called the Titan beetle, and it is huge. A mighty big beetle can grow as long as your whole hand. The Titan beetle lives deep in the hot red rainforest of South America. It lives dry, dark, and quite pleasant. Thank you, sir. This is Expo. Next contact family is affected syndrome coronavirus. It is a sickness that affects breathing. It mostly spread for camel to people in countries in the Middle East. The best way to stay safe is to wash your soft and with soap and water. Thank you, sir. This is the Atlas moth. The Atlas moth is biggest moth in the world, but is of the wings and its can be as long as your hand or even wide. It is so big. This is a Atlas moth doesn't having a working mode. That is, it cannot eat. It lives from 1 to 2 weeks to using the energy and store a grain of summary by
Super. Okay. No problem.
This is an lion larva. The acronym for larva is often called a pudulba because of staying very like the larva. Because in the sand when nests walk backward. He spent most of his life after the river. In the sand, what will go up will come from the beautiful flying insect. This is an orchard mantis. When it sits on a plant, birds and other animals cannot find it easily. Used mantis is actually a speedy hunter. Thank you, sir. Hi, Savita. Do you know what it is? Yes, this is an off-top bacteria. Off-top is a tiny living thing that is a part of a group called cyanobacteria. People used to call them as blue-green algae. After that gas, the better just gas right out of the and turn into food that plant can use. Thank you, sir.
Great. Well done, children. Very nice.
Thank you. Incredible journey. Keep exploring, keep observing, and keep your eyes open for and keep
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to the world's unknown marine kingdom. The ocean is a huge world filled with amazing animals, and most of them are still unknown to us. Welcome, sir.
Yes, no, even I don't know most of the As you said, most of the things are unknown. Yes.
The goblin shark is a very strange and rough shark
Lighting,
that
yeah, better,
lives
lighting.
in the dark
Other
parts of
lighting,
the
yeah.
ocean. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Fantastic. This is a very small fish with great teeth. It have a large teeth and native fish compared to its body size. These teeth are so long they have two flex into a special solid in its brain. Thank you, sir. This squid has a scary beak, but it does not dangerous at all. It has 8 arms connected by a clock of skin. Thank you, sir. Plankton are tiny organized certified bodies. It has about 3 and the backward body leaving the sharp fin.
Oh, 300.
Thank you, sir.
300. Yes.
The special jellyfish is called immortal jellyfish because it can go back to a baby. The immortal jellyfish has a permanent life. It is only about 50 days.
Super, yes.
The amazing sea angel. This tiny creature is called a sea angel because it looks like has a little wings. The
This is a tiny one. This is big one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, very nice.
Now I am going to explain about flower hat jellyfish. This is a very beautiful jellyfish found near Japan and Brazil.
Jellyfish.
It has tentacles that are bright and multicolored at the tips. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Yes.
Blue dragon, it float upside down on the ocean.
Blue dragon. Yes. You say. Fish.
This is a funny beautiful fish that is bright blue and silver.
Thank you, sir. It has about 300 backward pointing. It has about 300. It has six pairs of gills that are fully enriched. It has about 300 backward pointing needle sharp teeth. Thank you, sir. This is a black dragonfish. This is a long black fish that lives in the deep ocean. It has another interesting trick. It can make red light. Thank you, sir.
Anglerfish is the ocean's master of deep sea fishing. The female has a long fishing rod sticking out of her head. Thank you, sir.
This is a fishless fish. This is a very rare fish. Was only seen again recently after over 100 years. Since it lives in pitch black, it doesn't need to see. Thank you, sir.
This is the tripod fish. The tripod fish is used with long fin to stand in the sea floor. Thank you.
This is the deepest living dog octopus in the world. It gets its name from 2 big ears-like fins.
Super. Good guy.
It used them to gently flap and move through the dark water.
You hold
Thank
it.
you, sir.
Hold this.
The gulpera have a massive, huge mouth. Its mouth is much bigger than its whole body. Thank you, sir.
Great job. Very nice. Yes.
Vertical crab. This deep sea is named after the vertical snowman. It then crabs and bacteria softly share and its head. Thank you, sir.
Great job. Very nice.
The leafy dragon. The leafy dragon is a cool fish that lives in ocean near Australia. It is the dry sea dragon who keeps eggs with a special pouch until they are dead. Thank you, sir.
Super. Good.
This is a special type of sea cucumber that captures most of the cucumber crabs with this one. Float gracefully.
Super.
You can actually see the fish digestive system inside. Thank you, sir.
Well done.
So here, sir.
Yes. Say.
Mysteries of the deep sea. The ocean is in a place called the deep sea where no sunlight reaches. Scientists think there are many strange and amazing animals living there that we haven't found yet.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Start, Ma. Why are you looking at others?
A jellyfish is a soft, wriggly animal that lives in the ocean. A little flashlight appears to soften globe to our eyes. Thank you, sir.
Jellyfish. Very nice. Great job. Yes.
Thank you.
So here, sir.
The human body is full of surprises. Some parts are quite different. Amazing job.
Very nice, boy. Super. Great. Tell us about
A liquid familiar with a small strand of tissue. It connects the underside of the tongue to the floor of your mouth. Thank you.
it.
control down movement, speed, and current direction.
Okay.
The abdominal measurements take part deep inside the brain. It controls emotions such as fear, joy, and anger. The first part of the small intestine is connecting to the stomach. The duodenum helps to further digest coming from the stomach. Thank you. Cortex is a leaf, weight, and so then water for proteins. Let's thank you. The black box located in the brain of the alveolar structure, during cervical corner, the hormone is a horse segment certificate in the middle line of the neck between the chin. Thank you. Roughly almond same mass of gray matter inside each separate hemisphere is well with the expelling of motion. Thank you. Alveolar muscles are found just above and around the ear. These muscles are very weak. These muscles are connected to the skin and
Called auricular.
Auricular muscle. The anti-auricular muscle is small to the pre-auricular muscle, still and function, and for the product intestine.
Yes, continue.
A group of muscles that are around the ear, including extrinsic
Yes.
and intrinsic muscle. Thank you.
Long dialogue. Yes.
The medial surface of tongue is blue surface is divided into two surfaces.
Louder voice on.
The medial surface is a thin line running down the middle of the tongue. While the tongue is straight and it's the hepatic portal which takes food and reflects from the digestion organs to the liver. The hepatic portal means a large vessel that carries blood from the gastrointestinal system, spleen and pancreas. Thank you. The vagal nerves carry signals between your brain and the digestive system. They are a key part of the parasympathetic nervous system. The vagus nerve's main functions include controlling one-leg artery reticulation. The retinal gland is the clear making gland that keep eyes smooth and comfortable. The lacrimal bone is a great facial bone located in the middle wall of the orbit. Its main function is to provide support to the structure of the lacrimal
Yes.
Inside of cardiac contains special hands that move with the vertebrae. The cochlea is
Parts of air.
The cochlea is a spiral shaped fluid filled cavity in the inner ear that serves as the organ of hearing, converting sound vibration into electrical impulses at the brain.
Yes.
In the human body is the plica, a small photostat tissue. Inside the corner of eye that helps making clear the signage. Thank you. A plica is a small crescent-shaped folder in the conjunctiva, located in the inside corner of the eye. Thank you, sir.
Great knowledge. Yes. So much still we have able to. Yes.
The mesentery is a rubber layer fold of membrane attached the intestine.
It's called
Its
mesentery.
primary function is digesting and handling.
Louder voice.
Fingerprints are mainly used in the roots and arches. Thank you.
Yes.
The palmary thymmus is a thin muscle in the forearm that helps in this tactile pump. It shows high balance, is very pixel lasting with unusual contact. Sound is essentially for wisdom. It has a long tunnel that can be easily used in surgery. The vertical groove between the base of the nose and the bone of the abdomen. The system is the vertical curve between the nose and the palate. It gives shapes to the palate, padding between the fascia is a specialized connective tissue not a bone that connects muscles, organs, nerves, blood vessels, and bone that throughout the body. It providing such as integrity and facility communication within the body system while listening from bone particle care.
Super delivery.
It serves as an attachment site for several use. Whatever is an adequate of the pelvic floor which helps in stability and movement. The coccyx of important space. Ventral scalp. It is a triangle bone composition of last 3 to 5 letters. Thank you, sir. Runa is the here visible part of the leg. It tells at the base of the fingernail outward. Thank you.
Smiling and saying goodbye. All very well done.
Yes.
Thank you. Like happiness, anger,
Oh, here.
sadness.
Oh, great reference.
Happen inside the brain. Thank you.
Are you happy all the time?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You should always be happy despite problems and challenges.
Grace, ma'am, one more room. Shall we say next, sir?
Next, ready all?
Ready, sir.
Namaste. Welcome, sir. Our wonderful lesson has come to explore the hidden secrets of nature. in Mauritius. It's not a real waterfall, it's an optical illusion. The waterfall near Mauritius Island. If you look from the sky, you will see the huge waterfall under the sea. Have you ever seen red water flowing from ice? That happens in a place called Red Fort in Antarctica. Water is it because of fire and salt. This waterfall flows from the Tyler Glacier, and this water is full of salt and iron. This is a magical rainbow called a moonbow. Beyond the rainbow appears when the sunlight is there, but a moonbow made by moonlight. Moonbow is also called lunar rain. Just like a rainbow, a moonbow swarms and light is reflected and bent through tiny water droplets in the air.
Moonbow, rainbow. All sit down. Sit down. Don't stand for
This is an amazing wonder called Crystal Cave. It is also called as Cave of Crystal. This cave is filled with huge shining crystals. This cave is discovered by 2,000 deep below the earth. Depth is more than 10 meters long.
That's great information.
This beautiful place is called Rainbow Mountain. It is found in China. It looks like a mountain painted with rainbow colors. This beautiful place is called the Living Root Bridge in Meghalaya. This amazing bridge is not of metal or wood. It's made of living trees and roots. These trees are found in rainforest of Meghalaya. One of the wettest places on earth. These trees can hold a weight of 20 people at once. Long ago, it was a big solid dried up, leaving behind by salt crystal discovered around like snow. It is a natural wonder made of near certain salts. The ground is so shiny and flat that when rain on the ground, the surface becomes a perfect figure. I'm going to talk about the wonderful natural creation, the blue volcano. The blue volcano is located in East Java, Indonesia. The blue color comes from burning sulfur gases, not by the lava itself.
Yes.
This is a beautiful and rare wonder called Harris. Harris looks like a white hair glowing on and cold in the nights. The pink lake in Australia is famous for its bright bubblegum pink color. The lake is pink because of the tiny living organisms called algae and bacteria. The water is very sunny, but I am doing sunny days. The same look bright pink or purple. This rare place called the Bermuda Triangle. It is a large area in Atlantic Ocean. Many ships and airplanes disappearing without a clearance. It is also called Devil's Triangle in the Atlantic Ocean. More ships and airplanes disappearing in the area. No one knows what's happening.
This is a very special picture called
Sorry. Okay, speak again.
This rare place called the Bermuda Triangle. It is a large area in Atlantic Ocean. Many ships and airplanes disappearing
Mysterious.
without a clear
Mysteric disappearance.
It is also called Devil's Triangle in the Atlantic Ocean. More ships and airplanes disappearing in the area. No one knows why it's happening.
This is a very special creature called immortal jellyfish. This is amazing. It can live forever. When it gets old or sick, it turns back to a baby jellyfish and starts just like a kid.
Great point.
The amazing painted desert in the Arizona USA. Desert is a desert filled with colorful leaves and rocks. Look like a rainbow on the ground. It is found in the US. This desert pattern for it is beautiful color. Red, orange, pink and purple.
Super.
This stains in rare even called animal rain. As sometimes actually rain sediment. In some places people experience fog or even small grain falling from the sky. This strange event happens when
Unlisted.
This strange event happens when storms or pick up animals from lakes or ponds. It may sound funny, but it's completely real.
Completely real. Yes.
Hey, look at our model rocks floating on water. That looks impossible, right? Yes, everyone on rock, body, heavy, and all you sing. But these ones actually float. How can that happen? That's the mystery of human science. They are found living on continents.
Super. Yes.
I'm going to tell you about a rare and beautiful rainbow called fire rainbow. Even that search for fire rainbow.
Fire. You say.
The fire rainbow looks like the sky. It's of five colors. The colors are bright, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue.
You say again.
I'm going to tell you about a rare and beautiful rainbow called fire rainbow. Even that it's called fire rainbow, it's not made of fire at all. I'm going to tell you about an amazing natural wonder called singing sand dunes. Yes, you heard it right. Some sand dunes can actually make music. These species and dunes can produce musical sounds all by themselves. When wind moves or when people walk slide down, you can hear a moving bus making noise.
That's nice. Yeah. Complete. Before that.
Today I'm going to tell you about a magical place called bioluminescence forest. In this forest, of plants, mushrooms, and insects can glow in the dark. It happens because of natural chemical reactions inside their bodies.
Super. Lovely, dear. Forever. Don't forget. Come.
So that's all.
Very warm and vibrant welcome to everyone present here. to emit light. Oxygen creates green and red color. The light can appear as ribbons, curtains, or arcs. This is the ring of
Wait.
Yeah.
This is the ring of fire. Also known as the Pacific Ring of Fire, is tectonic belt of volcanoes and earthquakes.
Yes.
90% of
Super.
earthquakes, 75% of volcanoes are located.
75%. Yes, that's great information. I know from you. Nice.
This is the Dead Sea, a salinity of 34.2%. It is one of the world's saltest bodies of water.
This salinity makes swimming similar to floating. Salinity makes for a harsh environment.
Yes.
Iceland, land of fire and ice. Iceland is nicknamed the land of fire and ice because of the dramatic contrast between its active volcanoes and glaciers. Iceland has no mosquito being cold and wet. Iceland has more volcanoes than any other country on the
That's
planet.
great. Yes.
Africa, the geographical location of Africa is what makes it so special. The equator imaginary line that divides the earth into north and south hemisphere passes through the
Hemisphere,
middle of
yes.
Africa.
Yes.
And isthmus, the sun, are strip of land connecting
Isthmus.
two larger and masses separating two bodies of water. The isthmus of Panama is a primary example as it connects North and South America. And
Amazing. Yes.
Balloons and sliding observers Bay and Sunset. It has bright, beautiful balloons and presentations.
The need of creative species Noctiluca scientific, a widely retained accessory organism, makes a sea sparkle in display.
Super.
This
Yes.
land often contains Southern Africa, completely surrounded by South Africa. Lesotho's key geographical feature are its mountain picture and the nickname kingdom of the
A
sky.
country inside a country. Yes. Next.
San Francisco baseball pond. The ponds are noted for their vivid colors ranging from magenta to blue, green that are especially visible from the air.
The color comes from the grainship and the microorganisms that thrive in the different salinity leaves in the pond. Thank you. The boiling river of the Amazon is a tributary of the Pachitiya River,
Boiling river.
which subsequently flow into the Yukon River, the main endstream of the Amazon River.
Yes.
This is Chimborazo. Chimborazo is located in Ecuador. Its peak is the farthest point from Earth's center, not Mount Everest, because of the planet's equatorial belt. Chimborazo location on the equator combines with its highest point. Thank you. Fly geyser, Nevada, USA. A multicolored hot spring that grow by itself due to mineral deposits. Did you know about fly geyser?
Yeah, I know. Fly geyser is located near the edge of the forest structure. This is the Ulaba geothermal flats. Thank you. Lake Vidhyashram is the deepest, oldest, largest freshwater. The lake in the world holding 20% of planet's freshwater.
Great.
Holding 20% of unfrozen land and unfrozen freshwater, which allow for visibility down to 40 meters.
Yes.
The meeting of the water conflicts between the dark black water, Rio Negro, and the pale sandy colored white water. The waters of two rivers run side by side without the sea.
Earth's background shield is the geomagnetic motion of the mountain in the outer core, preventing the striving of our atmosphere, and is responsible for phenomena and the operation of a compass.
Thank you.
Mountains are 4 mm every due to tectonic activity.
Because Indian tectonic plates is still pushing into the Eurasian tectonic plates and it causes land to rise.
Layers of
Atmosphere, troposphere, the lowest layer where all life exists and weather occurs. Stratosphere contains the ozone layer that protects Earth from harmful UV. Geosphere, the layer where all with us thrown upon entering the atmosphere.
Thermosphere, when hot air will allow the color circulation. Exosphere, outermost layer that gradually spreads into outer space. The Sahara Desert is expanding due to a combination of nature, climate change, and human activities. It is a large sandstone rock split neat down middle into two but both balanced and small patterns. The overall shape of the rock is due to wind direction and the chemical weathering made possible by the moist condition in the protected underside of the rock.
Well done, children. Very nice.